That is the power of wind. I'm just over here looking at this pine tree, and I'm guessing what happened is a big windstorm we had about 2 weeks ago. I hadn't really noticed it until now, but this pine tree here had the top snapped right off, and it looks like it blew off and then blew over this other larger pine tree right next to it. So that's fairly incredible. Strong wind. That was the night there were tornado warnings throughout Minneapolis and south of Minnesota. It was kind of a weird weather, night of weird weather. And it was really windy here, but I didn't know any trees had gone down. It blew the top clear off of it. Wow. That is remarkable. That's some good pine. Chop it up and throw it in the fire. It'd be fun if I knew how to make something. Do some, make some pine planks or get some Minecraft going. That's what I need to do. Let's see here if I can. That'll probably take a real long time. Yeah, I don't think it works like that in real life. Oh well.